Morning, how are you?
Yes, thank you.
Alright. Today's a pretty cool day. Since the start of this trip, holy moly, stuff. Alright. Hello. Oh. Yeah, right, so since the start of this trip I've been trying, I'll definitely use the word trying. Holy moly. Yeah, trying to edit videos on my old Toshiba laptop. $600 job from Dick Smith's Electronics. Because in my usual way of doing things, I was like, hey, it'd be fun to make some videos while I'm traveling, but I did zero research and had no idea what was involved with that. Turns out it's definitely not the right machine for the job. After losing numerous projects that I'd spent hours on, I came to the conclusion that, yeah, for my own sanity, I'd have to probably upgrade. I made that decision maybe like a month and a half ago. Since then, I've been looking for something a bit better, which is really not easy. Especially because there's like import tax, say in India and Nepal, so everything is like more expensive than back home. But yesterday we're wandering around and I found a MacBook Air for pretty much the same price as I could buy it back home. It's a little bit more, maybe like 40 or 50 bucks more, but you know, I'm willing to pay that just so I can sort of, yeah, retain my sanity while I'm trying to do this sort of stuff. So yeah, today I'm gonna go and grab that. I got half the money out yesterday, a big wad of Nepalese rupees, and today I'm gonna grab the rest and after a bit of breakfast, head back there. Alright, so I'm gonna try and get the rest of the money out now. Because if I don't pay in cash, it costs me. Please wait while the transaction is processing. Quite a lot. Thank you for banking with us. And that didn't work, so hopefully the next one will. Turns out my card had actually been blocked because I tried to take, well, I tried about 7 different ATMs yesterday trying to get money out and then took 70,000 rupees out, so they blocked my card, so I had to ring Citibank, but I got all that sorted, so go back to the ATM, get the money and head off to get this computer. Alright, success. Got my money. Either gonna walk or maybe see how much a rickshaw is over to New Road. Go and pick up this computer. Alright, so I decided to get a rickshaw. Feeling a little bit lazy today, so, and it's only a couple of bucks to go over to New Road. Quite enjoyable, to be honest, so just gonna kick back and enjoy the ride. I've arrived on New Road. It's kind of crazy. We were here yesterday and it was pretty much dead. Like yesterday being Saturday, Probably 70% of the shops were closed. There were hardly any people. It was really quiet. And now today, Sunday, there's people everywhere. All the shops are open. So yeah, I don't know. It's a bit crazy, but I love it. Now we've arrived. Computer shop. Alright. Too easy, man. Yeah. Perfect. Sorry I'm late. Drank too much last night. Slept in. Alright, so laptop's here. I'll pay. And then we're done.
Cash moves everything around me. Green, get the money. Dollar, dollar bill, yo. Cash moves everything around me. Green, get the money. Dollar, dollar bill, yo.
You beauty. I have a new laptop, so I'm gonna go back to our hotel and have a play around. I think I'll grab a rickshaw back. Let's wander down this road a bit and try and find one.